Hi, I'm Dean with the Stonehollow Home Safety Tip. This segment is about GFCI outlets, or ground fault circuit interrupter outlets. When installed, these can shut off the power if they sense that too much electricity is flowing through the circuit. They're required in new construction for all kitchen, bathroom, garage, and exterior outlets. They can also be located in your electric panel as a type of circuit breaker. They should be tested on a monthly basis. Here's an example of how to test your GFCI outlets. To test your GFCI outlet, locate the test and the reset buttons on the outlet. Press the test button and you'll hear the familiar pop of the reset button as it shuts off the flow of electricity to the outlet. To reset, press in the reset button and everything is back to working order. That's all there is to it.